Hi guys, it's me again. I'm Crystal and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's 28th of April and it's Thursday and the time is 8:35 in the evening. I'm going to do an unboxing of this one. If you're interested in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Extra Razul. For more videos, please subscribe and please like this video. This up. Here it is, guys. Ta-dang! So this one, guys, it cost me $29 for this one. So let's open. So it says here, safe for use on all Apple displays and surfaces. For infrequent cleaning of hard to remove smudges on nano texture glass, a 70% isopropyl alcohol solution may be used. So here it is, guys. So that's it for tonight, guys. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Extra Razul. Here, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.